Namaste. Choose a quiet place, one where you will feel comfortable and are unlikely to be disturbed. Shut the door, dim the lights, and turn off the phone or whatever else might be distracting. Let's get ready to experience Yoga Nidra. Lie down on your back, aligning your head, neck, and spine. Place your arms out to the sides with your palms up. Have your legs uncrossed and out straight. Make sure the insides of your legs don't touch. If you prefer, put your feet flat on the floor with your knees up. Please close your eyes. Mentally, let yourself know that it is the time to experience the rest. Make all the necessary adjustments in your body to be as comfortable as possible. Bring your awareness to your breath. See the breath coming in and going out through the nostrils. Observe with every inhalation, your abdomen goes up, and with every exhalation, your abdomen goes down. Feel that with every inhalation, your body expands, and with every exhalation, your body relaxes. With each breath, your body expands more and more, and with every exhalation, it relaxes more than before. Now, bring your all awareness to your hearing sensation and try to listen the different sounds around you in the atmosphere. Move your awareness from one sound to another, but don't try to figure out the source. Just move from one sound to the next. Now, extend your hearing sensation and try to hear the furthest sound possible. Now bring your awareness as close as you can and try to hear the closest sound possible. Remember, the closest sound is not the sound around you, but it is the sound inside your body, the sound of your breath, the sound of your heartbeat, the sound of your blood flowing in your body. Try to hear the sounds of your breath and heartbeats. Now, I'm going to name your different body parts. Move your awareness from one part of your body to another with me. Please don't move any part. Just bring the awareness to that body part and try to relax it and move to the next. So now, bring your awareness to your right side of your body. The right hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, four fingers and thumb together, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, right hip, right thigh, knee, back of the knee, calf muscle, shin bone, ankle joint, heel, sole of the foot, right foot big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, five toes together. Whole right side, whole right side, whole right side. Now bring your awareness to the left side of your body. Left hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, four fingers and thumb together, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, left hip, left thigh, knee, back of the knee, calf muscle, shin bone, ankle joint, heel, sole of the foot, left foot big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, five toes together. Whole left side, whole left side, whole left side. Now bring your awareness to back of your body. Right hip, left hip, right lower back, left lower back, right upper back, left upper back, whole spine, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, whole back, whole back, whole back. Now bring your awareness to your front of the body. Top of the head, forehead, right temporal area, left temporal area, right ear, left ear, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, right eye, left eye, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, right nostril, left nostril, upper lip, lower lip, teeth, tongue, jaw, chin, throat, right chest, left chest, middle of the chest, upper abdomen, right abdomen, left abdomen, lower abdomen, pelvic, whole front, whole front, whole front. Awareness of the whole body from top of the head to tip of the toe. Now observe our energy is flowing from your fingertips, from toes, from head towards the navel. Observe that energy. Feel that the energy is going towards the ceiling, towards the sky, and you are feeling lighter and lighter in your body. Observe you are becoming so light that you are feeling like floating on the ground. Now visualize that you are in a warm place close to a beach where the sun is rising in the sky. Visualize the warm color in the sky and feel the warmness of the sun on your eyes. Try to hear the sound of waves coming and going. Try to feel the texture of the sand on your body. Feel that every time the waves comes in, they touches your feet. Feel the coolness of the water on your feet. Now observe that when you are inhaling all this cosmic energy in your body, and when you are exhaling all the negativity out of your body. The rising sun is giving you energy, and the waves cools you down, calms your mind. Feel that there is no pain, no stress, no worries. There is no past and no future, just this moment. Try to be in this moment and try to enjoy this moment. I let you be in silence for next 30 seconds. Now observe that you are very relaxed, calm, full of positivity, full of life, like a newborn baby. Now slowly be aware of your body. Slowly move your fingers, move your toes, feet, hands, legs, arms, and stretch your body however it demands. Take your time, and when you are ready, sit up. Bring your palms together, rub them with each other, and place them on your eyes. Slowly remove your hands and open your eyes. The practice of Yoga Nidra ends. Namaskar.